out for the weekend to do some racing seat brackets. Let's get it.
Ratchet Boy Garage!
Power tool section. We gonna need a grinder with a cutoff wheel. What else we gonna need? And an impact with a 14. I think it's a 14. Let's find out. Oh shit. Look. Yep. I'm about to show y'all where I screwed up. You see this? They're ugly welds. I'm a beginner at welding, but I have this flipped. I need to flip this upside down on the rail side. Will it reach? Well, I guess I'll do it by hand. Look how clean that carpet is, though. Oh yeah, I flocked this. Sick. I wanted to leave the brown, like contrast, whatever you call it, looking hella 80s. That's what I like. I don't know if y'all know, but I made my own harness for my ECU Master Black. Let me know down in the comments if you guys want me to make a 5-10 part series on how to make one of these, because I do want to redo this, because I just learned about concentric twisting, where it twists like this without falling apart, and it has some other benefits you guys can look up. But yeah, I'm gonna show you where I went wrong on these bride seats. Let's go. Okay, first, let me explain what I did wrong. So, the brackets that these seats came with are upside down. I don't know, I did the driver's side fine. I don't know what I was thinking. Probably was half asleep, trying to fabricate, and a fair warning, be nice guys, it's Ratchet Boy Garage, so I'm new to fabricating. So, on this, I should have mounted the seat bracket, which mounts onto the chair, or the seat. I should have mounted it on this side of the rail. If you get what I mean. Actually, I need to, this is actually welded right. So, what I need to do is mount this bracket, or these bolts right here, this one and that one. They need to be mounted to these holes. So, yes, I welded it wrong. This should be facing the other direction, as it's upside down right now. Another thing I want to tell y'all is these brackets, they are original to my car, so it was a pain, a pita, to cut off my seats, because if you don't own a Supra, you probably don't know, but Toyota likes to do like electric seats, and they were a pain to cut out of the original rail and the original seats. So yeah, let me cut these off, ugly welds off, and get back, show you when I'm done. Alright, it's not the ideal way to do it. We're gonna do it on the ground. We'll be ratchet. So, flip the rail upside down. There it is, boys. Got her done. Way cleaner on this side. Had a little bit of practice. Alright. Got her mocked up. All I need to do is tighten these bolts up. Both sides. Let's mount the seat in. We just got mounted. Yes, almost. Yeah, it's freaking pretty level. But that's the after right there, guys. If anything, it hits it just a little bit. So let me get a black background to fix or make a stock seatbelts work for the seats, for the seatbelt clip. What I did on this side already, I just need to tighten the bolt down. What I did was remove this whole bracket, because originally it was this rail that goes into this slot here, and this is not gonna work anymore. So I removed this, just using only this part and bolting it like that on the left side, facing this way, facing passenger, and it works fine. You just have to use the bolt that came out of here. It's a little bit longer. So yep, I'm gonna try this bolt anyways, because right now I can't locate my other bolt, and let's see what happens. So yeah, when you disassemble this, get the focus, you're gonna find this like yellow washer looking thing. It just like kind of holds everything in together. So I put that after the spacer, and there's a spring washer or lock washer right behind that. And this is the short bolt that originally went in this hole. So let's try this for now. It looked like it will. I guess I got like 4 or 5 threads in there, so should be fine. All right, let's do it. Missed it. There it goes. Oh, fuck. I think we got it. That's good. Oh yeah. It's so dark in here. I have to use the impact light. Let's see. Man. There you go. Racing seat, stock seat belts. Depending where you live, those 5-point harnesses aren't legal. I'm in California and LA, and you know, the black and white, they love harassing the car enthusiasts. That's all I got, guys. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to get more content.